See, from talent perspective, we are building the agenda is my personal interest is whatever happens in Silicon Valley should happen in India in next 3 to 5 years. We are already making baby steps. The difference between foreign university and Indian university is today, if you look at any global organization, Indians are in the top level, right? The most efficient turnaround, which you can always in the history, will be Microsoft turnaround, right? It was led by Satya. Similarly, now Google, who's heading again, an Indian. So it's not just one or two organizations. We can name any from any industry perspective as well. So we wanted people to feel that if Indians needs to go to overseas study and get things changed, it's better. Why can't we do it here? As an industry, we were shying away. We are trying to get the industry collaboration bit more closer to the academia so that whatever we can do in future can be done in India. That's my personal ambition. We need a right attitude, passion to learn, and agility. We have seen the faculties and the leadership. We found that they have the right appetite, and we are expecting the same from the students as well.